So, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about the levels of organism, and this is very interesting topic, and this is the theory and this is the story from all the things start. So, I think so we should begin with it. So, talking about the levels of organisms, first of all, everything is consisted of atoms. Everything is made up of atoms. Even our cells are made up of atoms. So, whenever we talk about something like levels, we have the number one level or the subatomic particles of the atom. We are made up of the subatomic parts of the atoms. Those are proton, neutron, and electron. Here we have a cell. Here we have the nucleus. Here we have this nucleus in which has proton and neutron. Here we have the electron orbiting in the shell. This is the first level of organization that we need to remember. Then we have the atomic level, or you guys can say yes, atomic level, or in simple words like atom level. So atom, now the entire atom comes to be the second level of our formation of anything. For instance, if we have like here, I have given the example of the carbon. I think so I should erase this and give you once again, like carbon comes to be here, like the hydrogen. So here we go. So let me take a good color, like this, then this, and then this. We are making the if you are good at chemistry, this will be very easy for you. Like our atoms, like we have atom of carbon, so it has 2 electrons here and it has 6 electrons here. So this is the entire atom which makes molecule in our body properly. ठीक है. Then फिर हमारे पास आते हैं some bio elements. What are the bio elements? When one type of atoms combine, we get elements. ठीक है. When one type of atoms combine, we get elements. For instance, here what I've written, okay, so I've mentioned something nicer here, but I think I should explain once again. So when one type of atom combine, we get elements. For instance, we have atom of an atom of carbon, atom of carbon, atom of carbon, atom of carbon, atom of carbon makes an element carbon. So we have total 16 bio elements. Apart from that, like 10 are the most important, but here we are going to typically talk about 6 only, which comes to be hydrogen, which comes to be oxygen, which comes to be nitrogen, which comes to be sulfur, calcium, phosphorus. So these are very important bioelements. Like in Punjab book, they write apart from like something, they write calcium. Okay, so this was something told by someone to me. So these were the basic bioelements, and through that we have the fourth stage, which is biomolecules. When from the elements we get some molecules, and we have two types of molecules, like micro and macro. So what are micro? They are small, they have less molecular mass, they cannot be divided further. For instance, I'll be giving you the example, like we have amino acids. So these are the micromolecules, and the macromolecule will be the protein. Like macromolecules are large, they have more molecular mass, and they can be divided further. For instance, we have amino acid. I think I need to have my white pen. Amino acid. From amino acid we get protein. Moreover, if I talk about the micro is also known as monomer, and the macro is also known as the polymer. For instance, the fatty acid plus glycerol gives us lipid, which is a macro. And if I talk about the glucose like C6H12O6, it cannot be divided further. For instance, there will be the chain of the, so here you guys can see the chain of the glucose, like एक glucose बना, एक glucose बना, एक glucose बना, एक glucose बना, एक glucose बनने से हमारे पास carbohydrates बनते हैं. So this was the story. Then we have the fifth the subcellular particles, the cell organelles, the unit. They are known as the unit. So for instance, we have mitochondria, we have Golgi apparatus, nucleus, and these things are the fifth stage of our organization. ठीक है जी. फिर then we have the sixth level which is cellular level, which means cell level भी बोल सकते हैं आप लोग इसे. तो cell level हमारे पास दो तरह के हमारे पास organisms पाए जाते हैं वर्ल्ड के अंदर, यूनिसेलुलर एंड मल्टीसेलुलर. यूनिसेलुलर जो होते हैं दे आर मेड अप ऑफ वन सेल, तो उनकी जर्नी यहाँ पे सेलुलर स्टेज पे ही ख़त्म हो जाती है. फॉर इंस्टेंस प्रोकैरियोटिक आ जाए, यूकैरियोटिक, वॉल्वॉक्स हो गया, बैक्टीरिया, बेसिलाई एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दे हैव ओनली वन सेल, तो उनकी जो लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म होगा वो यहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाएगा. मोरोवर इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, सो दिस इज गेटिंग मेसियर हियर, आई थिंक सो आई शुड यूज ग्रेट वन पेन. सो हियर वी आर हियर. ठीक है जी. सो मल्टी सेलुलर, you guys can have a look. Oh my god, so this was okay, wait. Okay, so here we talk the multicellular, and here we talk like animals हो गए, plants हो गए, fungi हो गया. So these are our, ठीक है, sixth stage. We are done with it. Then we talk about the seventh stage which is tissue level. जब हमारे पास similar, when group of cells combine, similar group of cells combine, so it forms tissue, like they perform some specific functions. And moreover, like we have four main important tissues in our body. We have muscular tissue, epithelial tissue, nervous tissue, and connective tissue. Moreover, then if I talk about this is seventh, where is the eighth? Okay, we need to find the 8 now. Yeah, this is our 8. So 8 is the organ level. For instance, we have stomach, which helps us in digestion. Then we have the ninth, which is organ system. Organ system like nervous system, circulatory system, digestive system. ठीक है. सो ये सारे जब हमारे पास ऑर्गन्स बनते हैं, वो ऑर्गन्स एक स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं. ठीक है. ऑर्गेनिज्म. देन इन द नाइन्थ वे वी हैव ऑर्गेनिज्म, द टोटल ऑर्गेनिज्म which performs all the functions. So this was all the composition, ये पूरी composition थी of the humans and of the animals. Plant we will definitely talk about it, and plant also goes like that. Plants is also like that. Plants में भी tissues होते हैं, they have organs and they also have an organ system, and they make a plant. So this was the level of organization that we studied today. I hope this is clear, and this is a very important topic. So yeah.